For today's video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from Venmo to another wallet. So, let's begin. Now, if you are ready to start your crypto journey, you need to open your Venmo app to start exploring and buy your first crypto for as little as $1. All you're gonna do is sign up here first. After signing up, all you're gonna do is log in using your credentials. Alright, open Venmo and tap the crypto tab. And the next thing is make your first purchase for as little as $1, and if you want to, share it into your feed. And last step is keep tabs on your crypto with price alerts and easily sell, transfers, or buy more in a few taps. Now, we are taking steps to make the management and movement of crypto for our Venmo customers easy by introducing the ability to transfer crypto to friends and family in the Venmo community. And again, transferring crypto on Venmo can be done in a few simple steps. Venmo customers can navigate to the crypto tab right here. Okay. View their coins. Say for example, you're using a BTC. Then tap the transfer arrow right here. And of course, you need to send or choose to send crypto either to a Venmo account or by entering in a recipient's wallet address, or to send to PayPal to or another external wallet address. Say for example, here's my friend Robert Kim. You can also check any customer can also tap receive to display their unique crypto address QR code, which can be shared with other people. Alright. Now, customers should note that crypto transfers cannot be cancelled or reversed, so you should ensure the recipient's details are correct by checking the destination address carefully. Alright? Now, if you want to get familiar with cryptocurrency, all you're gonna do is visit the Venmo crypto app right here. The difference between a crypto cash, transferring crypto on Venmo, how is crypto created, exploring different cryptocurrencies. And say for example, you are having problems setting up or transferring Bitcoin from Venmo to another wallet, all you're gonna do is simply contact the Venmo support. Just type in your full name, your phone number, or the email address that is associated with your Venmo, and let them know your situation, that you are having problems, sending Bitcoin from Venmo to another wallet. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.